Magnetic flux. Let us consider the situation when magnetic field is perpendicular to the surface. Consider a uniform magnetic field B, which is perpendicular to a plane surface of area A, represented by the area vector A. In this case, the magnetic field and area vector are parallel to each other. What is the difference between magnetic field and magnetic flux? Magnetic field is the total normal magnetic field lines crossing normally through unit area, and magnetic field is represented by B. So what is magnetic field? It is the total normal magnetic field lines crossing through unit area of the surface. Now, what is meant by the term magnetic flux? Magnetic flux is defined as total normal magnetic field lines crossing through the entire area, crossing through the entire surface. Magnetic flux is represented by the symbol phi subscript B. Now here area what we considered is A. Now how to write the equation for magnetic flux? Suppose this is the unit area of the surface considered. I represent unit area here. Suppose this is the unit area. Through unit area, how many field lines are passing? Normally, that is the magnetic field. And through the entire area A, how many field lines are passing? That is magnetic flux phi B. So from this, it is very clear that phi B is equal to magnetic field times area, or phi B equal to B into A. That is the expression for magnetic flux when magnetic field lines are parallel to the area vector. Now let us consider a second situation, that is when magnetic field is oblique to the surface. Say this is the surface of area A. The surface of area A, which is represented by the area vector A. And these are the magnetic field lines passing obliquely to the area vector. B is oblique to area. Now let us resolve the magnetic field B into two components. One component is along area vector and the other component is perpendicular to the area vector, or we say that is parallel to the surface. Since this is B, the vector along area, that is a component of B, which is B cos theta. What is the vector which is perpendicular to B cos theta? That must be the sine component B sin theta. What we need to know is the component of magnetic field along the area vector, that is B cos theta. Hence, the flux phi B, magnetic flux phi B, is equal to component of magnetic field B cos theta into area A, or phi B equal to B cos theta into A, or we write that is B dot A, which is the magnetic flux when the magnetic field lines or magnetic field vector B is oblique to the area vector A. When angle is theta between B and A, component of B along the area vectors B cos theta. So phi B equal to B dot A. Thank you.